How deep do I have to be digging in order to contact Ohio 811? It doesn't matter how deep you are digging, you should always contact Ohio 811 before any type of excavation, regardless of the depth. But before you start to dig, it's important to learn our safe digging process to avoid potential injury, property damage, and utility disruption. Plan your projects in advance. Provide an accurate address and detailed description of your project. If you are planning on installing a fence on your property, for example, ask yourself some of the following questions. Where it on the property? How far off the road? What type of equipment will I use? When will I start this project? Be prepared. Complete our locate work order form to help the member utilities with the proper information that they need to mark their underground utility lines. Remember, a good description is like an X on a treasure map. If you are not able to give a precise location, then you should mark your proposed dig area in white. And it's always a good idea to pre-mark with white paint or flags. Then contact Ohio 811 at least 48 hours and no more than 10 days before you plan to dig to receive a reference number as proof of your dig notification request. Contacting Ohio 811 is always free, either by calling us, using our app, or using one of our online web-based ticket entry programs such as iDig or eDig. Ohio 811 then transmits your dig notification information to the member utilities within your project area. Please know that privately installed utility lines may not be marked by the member facility owners. It would be the owner's responsibility to mark them or hire a private locating service. Utilities are located at the excavation site with colored paint or flags within 48 hours, excluding weekends and legal holidays. The excavators must wait the 48 hours, giving the member utilities time to identify their facilities or identify any other potential conflicts. Positive response is a closing of the communication loop. It allows each member utility to communicate to the excavator the status of their dig notification request. The member facility owners receive the dig notification request. Then the facility owners post within the 48 hours whether they have facilities within the area. Then the excavators then check the status of their dig notification request before digging. Respect the marks by protecting and preserving the markings until your project is complete. Then dig with care and use smaller hand tools if you must dig near marked utility lines within the tolerance zone. The tolerance zone is described as the site of the underground utility facility, including the width of the underground utility facility, plus 18 inches on each side of the facility, including the width of the utility. Always contact Ohio 811 before you dig. Protecting the communities that you serve and work in, protecting your coworkers, and ultimately protecting the ones that you love.